Amid alarming COVID surge in India, the Supreme Court today said that no state should clamp down on information if citizens communicate their grievances on social media. The court stressed that this will be treated as contempt if any citizen is harassed in this manner. It is of grave concern to me as a citizen or a judge if citizens communicate their grievances on social media. We do not want clamp down on information. Let us hear their voices. We will treat this as contempt if any citizen is harassed if they want bed or oxygen. We are in a human crisis, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud said. Even doctors and healthcare workers are not getting beds, he added, calling the situation grim. Last week, Twitter confirmed deletion of several tweets in response to a legal request from the government. The posts were deleted for spreading misinformation on COVID, government sources had said. The top court yet again questioned the centre over the pricing of vaccines. Why is the government not buying 100% of doses produced in this time? Why should there be two prices for the centre and the state? What is the rationale? The Supreme Court asked. Former Attorney General Soli Sorabji, one of India's finest legal minds, died of COVID this morning. He was 91. A senior lawyer and Padma Vibhushan recipient, Soli Sorabji was being treated at a private hospital in Delhi. Sorabji started his law practices in 1953 with the Bombay High Court. In 1971, he was designated senior counsel by the Supreme Court. He was also involved in many landmark Supreme Court cases and argued for free speech and press freedom, limiting the police power of the state and a vibrant democracy protected from overreach by prime ministers and governors. Sorabji became Attorney General first in 1989 and then from 1998 to 2004. The Director General of Civil Aviation (DGCA) today further extended the suspension of scheduled international flights till May 31st. The earlier deadline for flight suspension was to end today. International scheduled flights may be allowed on selected routes by the competent authority on a case-to-case basis, the DGCA said in a circular. The restriction shall not apply to international all-cargo operations and flights specifically approved by the aviation regulator, it added. Scheduled international passenger services have been suspended in India since March 23rd last year due to the coronavirus pandemic. Australia also announced a temporary ban on direct passenger flights from India as New Delhi battles a huge rise in coronavirus infections. Similar moves have been taken by countries including Canada, the United Arab Emirates and Britain to halt or restrict flights in response to the spiraling COVID cases in India. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, has Plan B ready in case the ongoing coronavirus pandemic forces the upcoming T20 World Cup to be shifted outside the country. BCCI's General Manager of Game Development Dheeraj Malhotra said that the Indian Cricket Board is considering United Arab Emirates as the alternate option if COVID situation doesn't improve in the country. The T20 World Cup is scheduled to be held in India later this year. Breaking all records, India today reported a massive surge of 3,86,452 COVID cases, according to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The cumulative caseload stands at 1,87,62,976 and the death toll from the virus has reached 2,08,330. India now has nearly 3.2 million active cases. India has been reporting over 3 lakh daily cases in the last 1 week. The 6 most affected states by total cases are Maharashtra, Kerala, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Delhi.